going to discuss the compounds of phosphorus or the species of phosphorus. In which central atom is phosphorus? Phosphorus has atomic number 15. 15 is in between atomic number 10 of neon and atomic number of 18 of argon. So what is the highest oxidation state? Highest oxidation state for phosphorus is 15 minus 10 means plus 5. Lowest oxidation state for phosphorus is 15 minus 18 means minus 3. Okay. The first rule is we had to find out the oxidation state. First we had to find out the oxidation state and then we had to verify the position of oxidation state. Now example I am taking H3PO4. In this one, on calculation we get the oxidation state of phosphorus. You know hydrogen is +1, oxygen is generally -2. On calculation 3 into +1 plus phosphorus plus 4 into -2 equal to 0 plus 3 plus P minus 8 equal to 0. Phosphorus oxidation state on calculation we get +5. +5 is the oxidation state of phosphorus in phosphoric acid. The first one is we have to find out the oxidation state. The second part is we have to verify the oxidation state. For phosphorus, what is the highest one and what is the least one? For phosphorus, least one is 15 minus 18 minus 3, 15 minus 10 plus 5. Already the compound has +5 oxidation state. For phosphorus, the oxidation state never exceed +5. There is only one possibility. There is possibility to decrease. There is possibility to decrease its oxidation state. Thus, there is possibility to undergo reduction. Thus, it acts as only oxidizing agent. Therefore, H3PO4 functions as oxidizing agent. H3PO4 functions as oxidizing agent. I am repeating once again. On calculation, in H3PO4 phosphorus will get +5. The possibilities of phosphorus oxidation states lies between -3 and +5. -3 is the lowest one and +5 is the highest one. Now our compound has highest oxidation state. There is no possibility to increase its oxidation state further. Only one possibility is it should undergo decrease in oxidation state or it should undergo reduction. Thus the species always undergo reduction. The species always act as oxidizing agent. Now this time I am taking another compound of phosphorus. Let us take P2 or PH3. Now phosphorus plus 3 hydrogens is equal to 0. Phosphorus plus 3 into +1 equal to 0. P plus 3 equal to 0. P is equal to -3 oxidation state. Now what about phosphorus? Least is -3, highest is +5. Now our species is having -3. There is no possibility to decrease further. There is only one possibility to increase. So possibility to increase its oxidation state. The possibility to undergo oxidation. So as this species has only one possibility to undergo oxidation and act as reducing agent. Again, in pH3 phosphorus has -3. -3 is taken as lowest oxidation state. No possibility to decrease further. Only one possibility to increase. That means only one possibility to undergo oxidation. That is only one possibility to act as reducing agent. Now this time we are taking H3PO2. H3PO2. On calculation, phosphorus will get +1 oxidation state. Again, phosphorus oxidation state, highest is +5, lowest is -3. +1 lies between these two. That means there is possibility to increase or there is possibility to decrease its oxidation state. There is possibility to undergo oxidation. There is possibility to undergo reduction. Thus, it can act as reducing agent as well as oxidizing agent. So finally we say the species with the highest oxidation state has only possibility to decrease its oxidation state, which means only possibility to undergo reduction, which means act as only oxidizing agent. The species with lowest oxidation state should increase its oxidation state, should undergo oxidation, act as reducing agent. Whereas the species with intermediate oxidation state, possibility to increase its oxidation state or possibility to decrease its oxidation state, possibility to undergo oxidation, there is possibility to undergo reduction. Thus it can act as oxidizing agent as well as reducing agent. Okay. Another example we are going to discuss. And that is nothing but for sulfur. For sulfur, atomic number is 16. It is in between 10 and 18. You know, 10 is atomic number of neon. 18 is atomic number of argon. The difference between these two is for sulfur, highest is 16 minus 10 means +5. Lowest is 16 minus 18 means -2. This is the least oxidation state and this is the highest possible oxidation state. Now we are going to verify which functions as oxidizing agent, which functions as reducing agent, which functions as both oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Now, example, I am taking H2S. For H2S, 2 hydrogens plus 1 sulfur is equal to 0. Sum of oxidation states is equal to 0. On calculation, sulfur will get a -2 oxidation state. So sulfur will get -2 oxidation state. So what about -2? -2 is the lowest oxidation state for sulfur. So there is no possibility to decrease further. There is no possibility to decrease its oxidation state beyond -2. Only one possibility to increase its oxidation state. That means H2S should undergo oxidation. H2S act as reducing agent. It act as reducing agent. Now, we take one more example. H2 or we take SO3. SO3. For SO3, sulfur oxidation state is 6. This is the highest oxidation state for sulfur. So further it cannot increase. Only one possibility to decrease its oxidation state. That means there is only one possibility to undergo reduction. The species that take part in reduction act as oxidizing agent. Thus SO3 act as only oxidizing agent. Here sulfur has lowest one, no possibility to decrease, only one possibility to increase, one possibility to undergo oxidation, only one possibility to act as reducing agent. In this case, sulfur has plus 6, which is the highest oxidation state. There is no possibility to increase its oxidation state further, only one possibility to decrease, that means possibility to undergo reduction. Thus, it can act as only oxidizing agent. The last one is, let us take a species with intermediate oxidation state. For example, you take SO2. Oxidation state of sulfur in SO2 is plus 4. You know, plus 4 lies between least minus 2 and highest plus 6. So plus 4 has possibility to decrease and plus 4 has possibility to increase. Plus 4 has possibility to decrease. Plus 4 has possibility to increase. That means this species has possibility to undergo reduction. This species has possibility to undergo oxidation. Thus the species undergo reduction as well as oxidation. This species undergo disproportionation. You know what is disproportionation? The reaction in which only one element undergo oxidation as well as reduction is called disproportionation reaction. Thus, SO2 act as oxidizing agent as well as reducing agent because it has intermediate oxidation state. The species in which the element has intermediate oxidation state can undergo oxidation as well as reduction, can undergo disproportionation, can act as oxidizing agent as well as reducing agent. This is all about the oxidizing agents and reducing agents.